YouTube, your girl Marcita B is back, and in this video I will be doing a side-by-side comparison of Mana Glance's original Waterwave 22 inches with their new Waterwave 22 inches. So please stay tuned for all the 411. So one thing you'll notice right off the bat is that the new Waterwave has an updated look to their packaging. Both are still 22 inches. The original and the new Waterwave are both still bulk crochet. It's not pre-loop. One thing I did see is that the original has the fiber content listed as 100% connect aligned right there. I could not find the fiber content for the new Waterwave. Sometimes they have it like really T90. So if anybody's bought any or has seen it listed somewhere what the fiber content is, feel free to comment below. But let's open the packages and see what the difference is in this hair. So here we have the original Waterwave side by side with new Waterwave, and the first thing I noticed right off the bat is that the new Waterwave is softer than the original. Now I remember when I first started doing crochet braids about 4 or 5 years ago, Waterwave was like really almost hard, and you had to put gel on it to even soften it up. This formula is softer than it used to be, but it's still a little bit stiffer than the new Waterwave. The new Waterwave seems a lot softer, silkier, and fluffier. So I bought 4 packs of the new Waterwave and 1 pack of the original. I've installed 3 packs of the new Waterwave so far. Getting ready to finish my stay crochet installation off camera. Probably gonna mix those last 2 packs, a little of the original with the new, and I'll be back to let you in on all my findings, so please stay tuned. Back with my completed installation, YouTube, and I ended up using all 5 packs of hair. Do you really need 5 packs of hair? No, especially if you separate the strands. I didn't really want to separate the strands because I want to keep that nice tight Waterwave curl pattern intact, just like on the stock card, but didn't think I was gonna have enough hair because each pack only comes with 16 strands. So I did separate some strands, some I installed right out of the pack. The original as well as the new Waterwave, when you separate the strands you will experience some frizzing, but not to the point where it's extreme, and it actually does add to the style. So comparing the original Waterwave with the new Waterwave, other than what I mentioned at the beginning of the video, that the new formula seems to be a little lighter, a little fluffier, a little silkier, not really a big change. Still kind of the same texture, knots the same. You're still gonna get frizzing when you separate the strands. I am glad they have introduced a few new colors. Since this is a new version, I would have liked to even seen maybe it offered in some ombre shades, maybe some of their special colors, maybe pre-loop, maybe multi-linked 8, 10, 12. Something that would have really made this new water wave version stand out even more from the original. That is Marcita B's 411 and her 2 cents on Mala Glance's new water wave. Now, I had to admit that since I've started wearing crochet braids, they have come a long way. Lots of new styles, lots of innovations, some trends that have come on the market that I didn't even think I would see. Which is why this new water wave for me is just a little disappointing. I wish that Shake and Go had taken this just a little tad farther and gone a little more outside of the box, come up with something a little different for this new version. That would have gotten me a little more excited. You two, let me know what you think. Have you tried Mala Glance's new water wave? And what's your impression? I would really be interested in hearing from you. And if anybody from Shake and Go or Model is out there watching this video, I welcome your comments also. So please feel free to post you know where below. Your girl Marcita B is out for right now though. Thank you so very much for watching. I do appreciate you. Got to go, but you know what I always say before I leave. You be safe. Take care. And we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.